Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term rich. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, rich is having a lot of money, resources, or qualities. People use it when talking about someone who is wealthy or abundance in something. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Rich first showed up in Old English as rice, meaning powerful or wealthy. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people discussing wealth or fortune. Now let's check out how to use rich in a sentence. Correct example 1. She became rich after her startup was acquired for millions of dollars. Correct example 2. That cake is rich with chocolate and cream. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said rich at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using rich right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Rich means containing a lot of money, resources, or qualities. Wealthy or abundant. It started in Old English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with rich in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.